There is no doubt that belly fat is one of the most difficult types of fat to eliminate. Having a flat belly is a desire of every woman and also every man. Many overweight people face difficulties with excess body fat and feel frustrated when they try to lose pounds but cannot get good results. In any case, you should not give up. Instead, consume this fantastic drink that will allow you to burn excess fat and cleanse your body. Each of the ingredients has been chosen to eliminate excess fat and toxins in the body, to balance the pH and restore all the essential function of the body. The drink also contains antioxidants that can prevent cancer, would trap poisons and expel them from the body, allowing you to lose weight more easily. Firstly, you need to prepare 2 lemons and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Lemon is high in pectin fiber, which helps suppress food cravings. When lemon juice is fully metabolized and its minerals are dissociated in your bloodstream, it helps the liver release all the toxins, which overburden the metabolism of fat. Once toxins are flushed out of the system, the process of melting belly fat is quicker and more effective. Next, you need to prepare 2 oranges. Then, cut them in half and squeeze the juice into another bowl. Orange is a negative calorie fruit, which means that it contains fewer calories than what your body requires to burn it. Simply put, you burn more than you eat, and of course, you will lose weight. Moreover, oranges help to reduce the body's level of cortisol. This is key to losing belly fat because research has found elevated cortisol associates with significantly higher amounts of belly fat. Next, you need to prepare fresh ginger and grate it until you have a 3 tablespoons of grated ginger. Ginger is thermogenic, so it increases the body temperature and helps burn fat more effectively, especially your belly fat. Next, prepare 2.5 liters of water. Then, add lemon juice, orange juice, and grated ginger into the water. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of apple vinegar and mix well. Apple cider vinegar can curb your appetite, keeping you full for a long time, thereby helping burn belly fat. your fat-burning drink is ready. You should drink it all during the day. Take it for 5 days. If you want to burn even more fat, take a break for 3 days and then take a drink for another 5 days.